we go. Gimme, gimme love, gimme, gimme love, gimme, gimme love. Sorry guys, it's copyrighted. I'm just gonna sing it. I hope that's okay. We're gonna love, gimme, gimme love. How do you want to start the vlog, Dad?
We're in Waco, Texas. We've come on an adventure to stalk the Gaineses.
How about like a hi?
Oh.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to Texas.
Yeah.
Look at what we are driving by. It's the temple. Wow. Right now, we have an awkward amount of time before dinner. To pass the time, we're going to do more stalking. Turn right onto we're gonna go find the fixer-upper houses. I think it's right there. No way. Oh my goodness. Are you ready to see your fixer-upper? Are there any other words to the song besides gimme, gimme love, gimme?
Couldn't find a single restaurant that had vegan and gluten-free options because everything is just meat. So we got really sketchy salads at this one place. It was interesting. No worries, because then we went to a grocery store and we got kombucha. So I'm cured, and tomorrow is my birthday. Okay, I took all my sleeping medications, so now I'm getting sleepy. I'm gonna go to bed soon. Okay, she's done being 18. Bye, bitch. You sucked. Okay, good night.
It's my motherfucking birthday, bitch. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I have to show you my fit for today. I look so cute. Ooh, girl. I'd like everyone to know that both my tank top and my skirt were purchased at the local Goodwill. It's time for birthday smoothie bowls. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm meeting my mom at the smoothie bowl place across the street, and I have my mask. Look at the beautiful day it is today. Let's get it, everybody. Oh, look at this. How are we doing this morning?
It's a beautiful day.
Cheers. I am so ready to eat this. This is great. Anybody need some candles?
I like the candles. They got this one over here.
Oh my god, is that Joanna Gaines?
And nobody knows.
Oh my god.
That's her.
Yeah.
Look, nobody knows.
Except for me. I've got it on camera.
You know that's her.
That looks just like her. See, she's going.
That's her.
We just saw Joanna Gaines. Yep.
Big time.
Literally in the flesh.
Yeah.
Literally walked down those stairs into the gated area. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a birthday miracle. Are you serious? Oh my god, I can't believe that just happened. Look at these. Oh, they're not as soft as they look. They're kind of itchy. Oh, I don't like that. Full review of the full Magnolia Land experience. Chip and Joanna Gaines have created what we've realized is an empire. It's like becoming adult Disneyland. So now we're just walking around. We're gonna go do fun things. Big birthday vibes. We're literally the only, it's just us and Joanna. Review of the coffee place at Magnolia. Not so hot. She wasn't very kind and the coffee wasn't very good. But it was very aesthetic in there. Even the bathrooms were aesthetic. No, I'm recording. Family picnic time on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family picnic time. Birthday vibe.
Oh, birthday picnic time.
Family birthday family picnic vibe.
Vibes.
Perfect. We're having a picnic on the river. We're having such a good time. We have
beer,
alcoholic beverages, not for Jasmine. Jasmine is drinking mango kombucha. Mom is drinking wine and kombucha. There's a lot of fermented beverages happening tonight. Vegan salads, beside the chicken is obviously not.
It's vegan chicken.
All the things that Jasmine can eat. Dad, how was your day at work?
It was good, except for the last meeting was
What are we doing?
Dad is getting on the bowl.
I don't know.
Anything possible.
Here, vlog, please.
You want a boost? Oh my god. Do you want my hat?
Yes. Oh, this is adorable.
Well, no, I'm gonna grab here. Bye. Birthday. Bye.
Kiss the bull.
I'm not gonna kiss it.
Kiss the bull.
Look at this beauty. Look at this queen right here. What a star. Good morning, everybody. I have my mask. Stunning. Starting off today's starting off my first day at 19. Going strong with the smoothie bowl. Typically how my day starts anyways. And today, my dad has more work to do. So we're just gonna walk around and then we're gonna drive to Austin. Oh, she's so good. Also, I took a shower, so I look like a rat. I typically look like a rat, so not much to add to that. Okay. It's like we're at the beach. Beach vibes, beach vacation vibes, ocean vibes. Selfie time. We're just exploring. Maybe we'll go scuba diving. So beachy, so aesthetic. Oh. Did I find the spot? Wait, what?
So when the door shuts, it sticks up here.
Okay.
And you can't open it. Like, no way. Can we? I challenge you to try to get out of there.
Okay.
I challenge you to try to get out of there.
You break the door.
Go ahead. Go. What? How'd you do it?
I held the handle and the towel rack.
Okay, well, we'll be back after dinner. I just want to show you this bathroom door. Go inside, shut the door, and then try to come out.
We'll get you out.
We'll get you out.
I promise. Okay, get him out. Get him out. Thank you. Okay, well, we're off. Wow. We are here. We are in Austin. I took a nap in the car, which I didn't need to do, but did anyways. Sometimes I just can't help it. I'm gonna make sure the bathroom door works. Yeah. Wow. Wow, it's been an afternoon. And now we're at the parking lot for the very first Whole Foods ever created because Jasmine is nauseous. Mother and father have gone to rescue Jasmine and is getting Jasmine a bottle of peppermint oil from the very first Whole Foods ever created while I sit in the car and die.
Oh, she passed away?
Not really thinking straight right now. You know the drill. Percent, 18, boom, 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 boom. All right. Oh, wow. Look at this amazing. My parents went to go get coffee and I just woke up. I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna go get some breakfast. We will figure it out. That's where I slept. I was very hot. That's okay. Oh, granola, everybody. Took a shower. I look like this. Okay. All right. You know, it's a big whopping no for me. I feel like I haven't really talked to you guys in this vlog, which kind of upsets me, but also that's life. Well, in the meantime, let me do my eyebrows. I say do my eyebrows as if I actually do something to them. Hairspray and a spoolie, bitch. I haven't been wearing makeup at all besides making sure my eyebrows are in check because my eyebrow hairs are longer than the Great Wall of China. And if they're not glued down to my face, it is just not okay. But I haven't worn face makeup or anything like that in so long, and honestly it's so great. I'm really not giving a shit anymore. Back in high school I wore a full face of makeup every day. It was horrible. I don't know. I'm on this trip. I literally, besides on my birthday I wore glitter, but I brought my makeup and I'm just no, why? Kind of freeing. I don't know, just kind of becoming a different girl. It's cold outside and this is what I'm wearing, but the bangs. But the bangs. Well, I already started eating it, but there's my smoothie bowl. Day 3. Well, the last thing I vlogged with breakfast, but this is lunch. And possibly the best kombucha I've ever had. Buddhist brew, pineapple, holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna do a better job of vlogging this afternoon. So everybody hang in there, my bangs will hang in there too, and it'll be a great time. Just a mom and her chicken. Mom and her chicken. Woo! We're going into the very first Whole Foods. This is incredible. Oh my god. It's ginormous. There's a whole nut butter area. Oh my god. It's a granola wall. Look at all the granolas. Oh my god. You could get a gallon of kombucha. I think I'm gonna cry. I honestly might cry. I could produce a tear. I'm gonna go look at all the granola. I just feel so at home. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Look at all the granolas. Look at all the granolas. Oh my god, and I can eat it? Oh, it's got almonds in it. Look at all the granola.
What?
Oh. I'm on cloud 9. Look, there's more gluten-free granola. Chickpea granola. What? Look at this. Can we analyze the texture on this bitch? Look at that. Look at that. I've gotten so distracted with my granola that I lost my parents. I'm like a small child looking for their parents. This is embarrassing. Does anybody want to give their full review?
I loved it. There's something about the smell of Whole Foods.
Yeah?
It smells so foodie.
It was a dream come true in my opinion. Basically Disneyland, and I would like to live there. Wow. It's family chocolate taste testing time. Wow. Basic guide to chocolate tasting.
Just chocolate.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Look at the bar.
Yes.
Is it shiny or matte?
Matte.
It's matte. Dark or light? Dark.
Dark. But like a medium dark.
Listen, Mom, did you hear a snap?
Here, listen.
Okay. Yes.
Very much.
Smell the chocolate. Take a deep breath.
Oh my god. Hurry.
Holy shit. Let it melt on your tongue. Do you recognize familiar flavors?
Coconut.
Chocolate. Is it spicy, fruity, floral, or nutty?
Nutty.
Nutty. Is it coarse, smooth, fudgy, or velvety?
Fudgy.
Fudgy.
Oh shit, that's good.
Oh my god.
It's a perfect balance of like sweetness and bitter. Time to go eat.
Vegan vibe.
And
You
it
know where
was.
you're going?
Yep, I don't know where I'm going. Let's see if I get lost and then we'll pull up the drive.
Okay.
Anybody want to try sriracha? So now it's body butter type.
Okay. Coconut lemon body butter.
Yes.
Is that a guy thing?
Dad, skincare is always a guy thing.
I'm digging it.
So buttery.
I'm feeling like a croissant.
Yeah?
So buttery.
Oh my god.
I'm not digging it.
I want to eat it. Can I lick it? I kind of want to lick it. No, I'm going to read the ingredients so I can lick it. I kind of really want to lick it.
Don't like my dinner.
External use only. It's fine.
Now, if I remember right, we go like down a hill and then turn.
We go like over the river, and then after that it's through the woods.
Is it right near Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Does anybody know the animal of Texas?
I do.
Is it a bat? Golden retriever?
Like-
Lemur?
Close.
What?
You'll never guess.
An anteater?
Close.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Armadillo?
Yeah.
Bingo.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, fun fact, people don't wear like cowboy hats and cowboy boots here.
I learned that.
Like people aren't like ready to go horseback riding 24/7. And I'm kind of disappointed. I'm ready to go horseback riding at all times, but it doesn't look like anybody else is. There's not a lot of like cowboy anything. And I'm so sad. It's time. Oh wait, everybody look at the sign. There's dogs looking at the cow who's so wholesome. And the dogs are saying, I'm going veggie. Yay. Okay, it's time for more vegan food. More hippie vibes. Well, I ate it, but it was vegan pulled pork and coleslaw and a salad, but I don't like olives. And Mom got crab cakes, and Dad got a sandwich. And then I ate half of a protein bar. Solid. Okay, Mom's got a star shirt, and it makes her do this. Star shirt. Star shirt. Dad, can you do a kick?
Just be ready. It hurts.
Hey guys, welcome back to my day. We're doing a Texas haul. First we have this shirt because I am a woman. Fun, fun. Then we have this shirt.
Do I need to show hot sauce on the vlog?
I think you do.
Okay.
Hot sauce haul.
So I went to the
You have to say
store.
welcome to my hot sauce haul.
Welcome to my hot sauce haul. I went to the hot sauce store. Right there. Try it, I dare you. All natural, gluten-free.
Okay, thank God.
Tomato, 7 pot primo, jalapenos, pepper, fresh garlic, cilantro, cane sugar, black pepper, spices, cumin.
Wow. All right.
Will knock your socks off, and ironically, I don't have any socks on. Peace out.
Peace out. Apparently that's the end of the family haul.
Got chocolate.
More chocolate!
And then we ate more chocolate. And then we went to bed. And then we woke up. And then we left. And here we are. And I'm still tired. And I broke out from my mask. So, F you to coronavirus. Just want to say a big shout out to Texas for giving me a little bit more hope in society. I've literally been sitting in this room since March, and it was very nice to exit this room and not be here. And also actually see grass that wasn't dead and see a tree that wasn't a saguaro cactus, which isn't even a tree. So, that's kind of it. Just love you guys. Okay, we're done. Bye.